Fast-acting. The Muc-Off X-3 dirty chain cleaning machine is the ultimate bicycle chain cleaning tool that thoroughly cleans your chain in just seconds. Tough on dirt. 120 different contact points mean that the X-3 can provide the deepest clean, easily removing grime, grease and chain oil with no hassle. Separates dirty fluid. The innovative design separates the excess dirty fluid by dropping it into a second, lower reservoir so that it's kept away from your freshly clean chain. Fluid included. A 75 ml bottle of Muc-Off Bio Drivetrain Cleaner is included with the X-3 dirty chain cleaning machine. It's the perfect fast-action degreaser to use in the machine. Easy to clean. The X-3 dirty chain cleaning machine can be reused again and again. The included drivetrain cleaner is fully biodegradable and is safe to be disposed of down the drain if you've previously used one of our biochain lubes. Top reviews from the United States. For commuters. I am commute to work on city streets on an e-bike and I ride a regular bike on the weekends over dirty trails. Cleaning my drivetrain used to be a very time-intensive and laborious task. Now, however, it is fast and very simple. The price is a little steep up front, but to ensure that you maximize the longevity of your derailleurs, chain and cassette for as long as possible, that is priceless.